Hello guys, today we'll be learning how to solve differentiation problem in Casio FX991ES+. In earlier video I have differentiate the simple problems like differential problem and integration problem in Casio FX991MS. I'll put the link in the description so you can just go and check it out if you have that calculator. So let's get started with this video. I'll be taking a differentiation problem. This is x square plus 6x plus 4 at x equals to 2. So here is our Casio FX991ES plus. This is just blue in color. You have got a black one that is same. So yeah, just press on. Then this is the integration symbol. You have to press shift and press this integration button so the differentiation is activated in the calculator. Now you just have to type the function. The function is x square. Here is the x above the round end bracket. Press alpha, then x, then it is square plus 6, again x plus 4, and put in the value of x, and the answer should be 10. So let's check our answer. Yeah, it is 10. So this is differentiation. I'll jump on to integration next. So this is the integration problem we are dealing with. It is a limit 6 to n. So that means 1 to 6 is the limit for this function. So we'll have to clear the screen first. Press on or all clear, it's up to you. Shift integration will give you differentiation. So we have to press only the integration button. Now here is the function blinking. So put in the round brackets, it is important. Close the round bracket as well and put in the function 12. Repeat x, here is the power 3, then minus 9x square plus 2, and that is the function. Press the upper limit 6 and lower limit 1, and the calculator will take time. So the calculator has calculated 3250 and our traditional way has also correct. So in traditional way n, 2, 3 and 4, almost 4 steps we have to write to get the correct answer. But in calculator we just have to put the function. That is the magic of calculator. Thank you.